The purpose of this video is to show you how to format a document in MLA for your assignments. When you start with a Google document, you'll notice that the default is Arial font, size 11, and we're going to change this to Times New Roman, size 12. Next, you need to double space. So if you come over to your toolbar, you'll see this line spacing has an arrow going up and down. If you click on that, click double, and now your entire piece will be double spaced. Let's start with your name goes first in the top left. Press enter one time. You're going to have the teacher name and then the class name, followed by the military date. So I'll do an example for today because a lot of people get this confused. You have to put the date first, then you spell out the entire month without any abbreviations and spell it correctly. And then you put the year. And then you press enter one more time, center your text, and this is where your title goes. The title does not need to be bold. It does not need to be underlined. It does not need to be in a bigger font. It does not need to have quotation marks or italics, just like that. And then you press tab, of course, to indent for a first paragraph and begin typing here. There's one other part that a lot of people forget, and that is to insert page numbers. If you ever forget how to insert page numbers, you go to insert page number. And then MLA says that they are to go in the top right-hand corner. So it's going to be this first icon here. And you'll put your cursor in front of that number, and you also need to put your last name here. Now, your last name is does not have a number at the end, so you have to put a space in between there as well. Now, interestingly enough, even though we've changed the font down here to Times New Roman 12, this is default at Arial 11 again. So we need to highlight everything here, and then we're going to change this to Times New Roman 12 up here as well. Normally, you also have to change your margins, but because Google Docs defaults to 1 inch, you're all set there as well. So you have just formatted your paper in MLA and are ready to type.